ada Lutfi Rahma Fauziah, Muhammad Rizal Abdul Aziz, Eva Nur Hidayah, Bella Sabina Zaneta. Glossary of Term yang pertama, 1. ROII atau pengambilan rata-rata aset adalah rasio profitabilitas yang menunjukkan presentasi keuntungan laba bersih yang diperoleh perusahaan sehubungan dengan keseluruhan sumber daya atau rata-rata jumlah aset. 2. ROAI pengambilan ekuitas rata-rata merupakan perhitungan rasio yang menunjukkan kemampuan sebuah perusahaan dalam menghasilkan laba bersih yang tersedia bagi pemilik atau investor perusahaan tersebut. 3. Board Charters karakteristik dewan merupakan bagian penting berperan sebagai penghubung antara perusahaan dan lingkungan yang menjaga sumber daya perusahaan. William serta berperan aktif dalam pengambilan keputusan strategis sebuah perusahaan. Fama dan Jason. 4. Bank performance kinerja bank merupakan implementasi dari kebijakan perusahaan. Dalam beberapa penelitian diukur dengan menggunakan variabel return on asset. 5. Corporate governance tata kelola perusahaan merupakan sistem yang dirancang untuk mengarahkan pengelolaan perusahaan secara profesional berdasarkan prinsip-prinsip transparansi, akuntabilitas, tanggung jawab, independen, kewajaran, dan kesetaraan. 6. Board of Directors Dewan Direksi seseorang yang ditunjuk untuk memimpin suatu lembaga perusahaan pemerintah swasta. 7. Educational background latar belakang pendidikan arti memberikan pemahaman kepada orang lain mengenai apa yang kita sampaikan di aspek pendidikan. ECB Bank Sentral Eropa yang bertanggung jawab atas kebijakan moneter untuk 19 negara yang menggunakan mata uang euro. Yang 9. MBA Magister Administrasi Bisnis merupakan program studi di tingkat prasarjana atau S2 yang dibuka untuk memenuhi kebutuhan masyarakat akan pendidikan bisnis yang baik dan bermutu. Net chart pengambilan abnormal kumulatif selisih antara return atau tingkat keuntungan yang sebenarnya aktual return dengan tingkat keuntungan yang diharapkan expected return. Selanjutnya GMAT tes masuk manajemen prasarjana adalah sebuah tes standar untuk menentukan update dalam ilmu manajemen bisnis. LSAT tes masuk sekolah hukum merupakan tes yang dirancang untuk menguji kemampuan analisis tulisan, manajemen data, dan keterampilan berpikir analitis yang dibutuhkan untuk menjalani tahun pertama di sekolah hukum. Elite Education pendidikan elit suatu bentuk pendidikan yang harus diperuntukkan bagi kalangan terbatas, yaitu kalangan elit saja. Top bisnis sekolah Top Business School sekolah bisnis top lembaga tingkat universitas yang menganugerahkan gelar dalam administrasi bisnis atau manajemen. Obtaining international accreditation memperoleh akreditasi internasional. Financial Assistance program bantuan keuangan sebuah istilah umum yang mencakup semua jenis dana, pinjaman, dan program work atau studi yang diberikan kepada mahasiswa untuk membantu membiayai sekolah dan ongkos hidup. IMF Dana Moneter Nasional suatu organisasi internasional yang bergerak dalam masalah keuangan dan juga pemberian pinjaman kepada setiap negara anggotanya. Bank Performance measure ukuran kinerja bank dilakukan dengan menggunakan hasil yang dicapai oleh bank dengan standar yang ditentukan oleh Bank Indonesia atau hasil perhitungan rata-ratanya. GLN, rasio kemungkinan bersyarat, komponen mesin virtual yang terdapat di dalam Microsoft yang mendefinisikan infrastruktur umum atau common untuk lingkungan pengasuhan kode-kode dalam berbagai bahasa pemrograman ILML. Informasi terbatas kemungkinan maksimum. Sebuah acuan dalam dokumen hypertext ke dokumen yang lain atau sumber lain. SEM, permodalan persamaan struktural, sebuah metode di mana Anda dapat mengiklankan website di mesin pencarian. Reporting result, melaporkan hasil, suatu laporan yang menyediakan informasi terkait posisi keuangan, kinerja, serta perubahan posisi keuangan dalam perusahaan yang memiliki manfaat untuk pengguna dalam pengambilan keputusan. Outliers, pencilan, merupakan suatu nilai data yang ekstrim berbeda dengan yang lain. Independent variable, variabel bebas, variabel yang mempengaruhi atau yang menjadi sebab terjadinya perubahan atau timbulnya variabel dependen atau terikat. Variabel dependen. Financial performance, kinerja keuangan, kemampuan perusahaan dalam mengelola dan mengendalikan sumber daya yang dimiliki. Correlation coefficient atau koefisien korelasi, nilai yang menunjukkan kekuatan dan arah hubung linear antara kedua belah acak atau random variabel. Multicollinearity adalah hubungan linear antara perubahan dalam model regresi ganda. Parvis correlation atau korelasi berpasangan, hubungan di antara dua variabel pada data berpasangan yang dapat dirangkai menjadi hubungan di antara dua variabel. Threshold value atau nilai ambang batas, standar faktor bahaya di tempat kerja sebagai kadar atau intensitas rata-rata tertimbang waktu atau time weighted average yang dapat diterima tenaga kerja. Financial time atau waktu keuangan, sebuah surat kabar bisnis internasional Britania Raya. International experience atau pengalaman internasional, pengalaman yang tarafnya internasional, bukan berarti harus berada di luar negeri ya. Thank you.
1. Literature review and hypothesis development. Banks are an essential part of economy, and the governance of banks themselves is central to a country's economic development, as most business and individuals depend on the service banks offer. These two main aspects justify a major development for the existing body of research, which consider banks as a sample. 2. Literature review and hypothesis development. Point 2 and 1. Director educational level and bank financial performance. In the literature, there are strands of research that studies the possible effect of directors' education on company performance. Overall, the results are inconclusive and further research is required. On the one hand, how Antum argue that board members' education does not have a significant correlation with bank losses. Point 2 and 2. Director educational attainment acquired from prestigious universities correlates to banks' financial performance. This research consider the appointments of accounting financial experts to the audit committees at S&P 1,500 companies for the period between 1899 and 2008. The variable elite education used in this study consider two groups of the most prestigious universities in the USA. 3. Research designs. Point 2 and 1 timeline. This research aims to assess if corporate governance data, in particular board member qualification, affect bank's performance in the following 3 years. The period 2012 until 2014. It is assumed that board members were nominated for a 3 years period and the rotation of board member was high. Point 3 and 2 sample of bank. It was necessary to complement this data with information from bank annual report. Data board member comprise 276 elements, but only 180 elements could be used in the research because 86 elements did not have sufficient information for the 180 elements considered. Some variables did not have adequate information. Point 2 and 3 construct measurement. This analysis focused on data from Portugal. The study did not face concern of comparability of construct as seen for multi-country studies. The Banco de Portugal in the Central Bank of the Portuguese Republic and regulates the country's banking system in association with European Central Bank, ensuring that the main rules are the same for all bank operating system. Point 3 and 3. The inclusion of power analysis is very rare in corporate government studies. In our analysis, we conduct a priori power and sample size test. Point 3 and 4. Endogeneity. The inclusion of method to control possible effect of endogeneity in corporate governance research in a general movement among academics. Accordingly, being aware of the river concern regarding endogeneity, several tests to control this effect were included in our research. The most common methods are legit designs, two-stack, least square, and instrumental variable approach. Essentially, a few previous corporate governance research studies consider the use of control of endogeneity. Point 3 and 5. Empirical methodology. In the literature, Gottesman and Morey did not use a moderator effect in the relationship between fund manager characteristic and performance of fund. In our research, we assume the previous perspective is also true once it's not believable that board member education is enough to tell the complete story of bank financial performance. In our model, we assume that board member holding degree in economic or business studies would have better skill and be capable of making dedication benefiting bank's performance. For robustness check, first we consider a few tests to evaluate the normality of data, specifically the Sarpio-Wilk test and the Shapiro-Francia test. Second, we describe how to deal with data imperfection, specifically missing data and outliers. Point 4 and 1. Normality data. An alternative would to be used generalized linear model or non-parametric method or transform variable using logs. Our approach is to consider the transformation of variable eduindex xp and eduindex fp using log and performance regressios that use RUEE and RUEE as dependent variable. Point 4 and 2. Data imperfection. We consider the presence of value that could differ substantially from other observations, namely outliering, according to William. Extreme value can produce distorted regression coefficient. Therefore, some strategies are required to deal with outliers to avoid possible model misclassification. Point 4 and 2 Quadratic effect in turn. In this section, we introduce quadratic effect to investigate if the impact of edu-index SP and edu-index FP on bank financial performance can have an interpret U-shape from. Therefore, using the Hausman-Taylor estimation, we regress RUAA or RUAE on the square version of edu-index DP, and edu-index FP. Moreover, the square edu-index DP, we observed that the coefficient present a negative sig both for RUAA and RUAE. This result shows that after board member attend a care. Point 4 and 4 Relationship between management competence and bank financial performance. It is difficult to establish a relationship between management competence and bank financial performance. Structural equation model or SEM with a modern effect can establish a link. However, this type of analysis reveals serious limitation.
Summary descriptive statistic. The table shows a strong standard deviation for ROE with a value of approximately 2353. Furthermore, the variable ROE crisis also reflects an 11 standard deviation considering a value of 12.6cc. We can see that a significant and positive effect of the variable edu-index DP, and edu-index FP exceed for bank ROAE. This effect is hang here for edu-index FP with a value of 2986. It is also exists that bank ROA is significant influences by edu-index DP, and edu-index FP. Again, the same inverse is more careful for edu-index 5P, considering the effects of edu-index DP, and edu-index FP on base ROAE. A positive and significant effects incorporated as defined in the methodology test as regression with control variable. Furthermore, for the effect of edu-index DP, and edu-index 5P on base ROAE, the effect is positive and significant for the second and the third variable. However, edu-index does not have a significant impact of back ROAE, which is contradictory to be the result obtained in the table 5. First, with a significant effects of edu-index DP, and edu-index FP on banks SROO. And this confirms our previous result of positive and significant effects of edu-index DP, and edu-index FP is also identified for base ROAE. But it is important that the magnitude of the influence is much higher for edu-index FP. Our analysis reflects a positive and significant effect of variable edu-index DP, and edu-index FP for banks ROAE and ROAE. Likewise, the impacts of edu-index FP on banks ROAE and ROAE is greater than edu-index and edu-index DP. The estimates suggest that edu-index FP affects bank ROAE and ROAE significantly and positively. The result refers the that edu-index FP affects bank ROA positive and significant, but does not affect ROA when considered ROA as a dependent variable and edu-index as an independent variable. The estimate for one is 0.1073. Additionally, where ROA is taken as the dependent variable and edu-index is an independent variable, the estimate power is 0.2294. Finally, considering ROAE is the dependent variable and edu-index DP as an independent variable, the estimate power is 0.904. Concept about hierarchy. researched for on the impact of the education of boards member on banks. Financial performance is limited in the literature. Purpose studies mainly focus on US data and the non-financial sector.
Information Concept Map: Quality of Board Members Training and Bank Financial Performance. Evidence from Portugal. This study examines the impact of the quality of board members' training on the financial performance of Portuguese bank, using 276 board members, measuring performance by ROII and ROIA, as well as the average return on equity asset ratio. 3 indicates for the educational qualification of board members, namely EduIndex, EduIndex TP, EduIndex FP. Studies affecting bank performance in selecting members of the central bank board must include a more stringent process. Number 1. Bank interjection. The bank is the most important part of the economy. The characteristics of the bank have a higher level of opacity associated with the service they sell than other industries. A central bank is a national authority that regulates the country's banking system. Number 2. Literature review and hypothesis development. Directors, a central bank, Director, educational level and bank financial performance. Directors, educational attainment acquired from prestigious universities correlates to bank financial performance. Number 3. Research design timeline. This research was conducted using corporate governance data. The Financial Assistance Program implements several targets to achieve capital and liquidity. Sample of bank is modest analysis bank focus. Construct measurement with control variable and dummy variable. Main variable is bank performance measures, board members qualification and control variable. The power analysis to perform a priori power test and sample size. Endogeneity uses an instrumental variable approach to capture the exogenous dynamics of the board structure. Empirical methodology apply a generic model. Number 4. Robustness checks. Normality of data imperfections. Quadratic effect terms. Relationship between management competence and bank's financial performance. Reporting result. Concerns about hacking. Power analysis for non-significant result. Empirical result. Summary descriptive. Status. Conclusion on member bank financial performance is limited in the literature. A greater part of the studies does not consider the quality of training of board members. The personal research find that in educational attainment effect that only qualification achieved by bank board members in prestigious foreign business school can have a positively significant impact on bank's financial performance. European central banks should follow a more rigorous process while selecting board members of banks, even though it is not mandatory. It is recommended that director of board should have a few members qualified from top foreign business school. Members' international experience, language skill, and contact with knowledge state of the art are areas that can influence bank's performance positively. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.